Hello my dear students of South India and rest of India who intend to study in 100% English. So you want the best lectures for CA Final Audit to be delivered in 100% English because you may be struggling in understanding Hindi, and I can completely understand that, having taught in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, multiple South India cities. I can understand what problems you go through. So don't worry my dear friends. I am coming with 100% English lectures, CA Final regular course, new syllabus, which is starting on 4th November 2024, batch ends on 29th December 2024. Live lectures with 100% recorded backup. Live virtual lectures with 100% recorded backup. Yes, you heard me correct. 3 books consisting of content, question bank, MCQs, every single thing that you can think of. Test series included. And validity will be given for 2 years, alright. That is till 30th November 2026, till November 26 attempt. So don't worry, my dear friends, having attempt till November 26 can enroll because amendment support will be given till November 26 attempt. Alright. Now if you want to enroll, please do it fast because we have very limited seats for early bird admissions. So only 25 seats are there for early bird admissions and it will go until 13th October. Fees will be 9,750. This is all inclusive, including GST, courier charges, everything. If you are in India, then courier charges are included. Out of India, courier charges will be extra. 10,750 will be the fees from 14th October onwards. Or if we cross 25 admissions, which I'm so sure after this video comes out we are going to cross ASAP, because 6-7 admissions were done even before this batch was launched. Only 60-65 students maximum will be enrolled in this batch because this will be Zoom live batch. And it will also be recorded, so we want to ensure the quality of recording also stays, so we cannot take n number of live lecture students over here. Writing practice, you can see the demo video. Lots of writing practice will be done in the lecture for the entire subject, so that the summary notes will be developed in the lecture itself from the regular course book, so that you can revise it in the last 1.5 days, which are your exam days. Very much applicable and advisable from May 25 attempt onwards, students. Alright, so if you want to enroll, you can go to my app and go to course B42, B42 and enroll over there. Or you can call this number, WhatsApp this number 9313119022 if you want to know more. If you want to know who am I, what experience I have, alright, the feedback of the rankers, 70+ students converting their failures into successes, all the feedbacks, all documented feedbacks are available on my YouTube channel, and the Google forms which students fill up with us. So you can always ask my team to share it with you, and we'll be very happy to share it with you. Alright, it is always better to know the professor before enrolling for the course. But let me tell you, I have taught for n number of years, 10 years to be specific. This is my 11th year going on, and I have been into major South India cities, so I can understand South India students like no other professor. Alright, all the very best. I will be waiting for you on the other side, and the minimum that we will target will be 70+. All the best, better.